Well, we're just pulling out of Lancaster, Pennsylvania, and we got this. This is a 2001 Javelin 21 MSX fishing boat. So I'm still making my way back. It's got a 200 horsepower Johnson motor. And this is what we're looking at. She's a beauty. I'm very excited about it. And we're gonna make some changes. I hope you're gonna enjoy what we have coming for you. We're gonna start off with a trolling motor. We're gonna update the fish finders on this thing. Hoping to put a kicker motor on it. We're gonna make this a little more dual sport for us. Put a ladder on there so we can get in and out of the water if you want. Panini top, doesn't have a radio. We're gonna put a radio in it. Just little things like that. Hopefully this is going to be a good boat for years to come. They're pretty simple. The boat's in great shape, and you can see for a 2001, this thing is beautiful. So I'm super excited about it. Can't wait to get it out on the water. And we're gonna be switching up our fish finders here, switching up the trolling motor. So yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun to get set up. Look at this huge rear bass deck. And I think we're gonna get ourselves a nice big cushion that if I bring the girls out, they can kind of lay out and get nice and sunned out. Throw a Panini top on it so we can throw some shade if we want to get out of the sun. And my goodness, does this thing have live wells? Gotta be 65 gallons worth of live well. So yeah, that's big. That's a lot. Got plenty of cup holders. That's one of the problems with some of these boats. They don't have any cup holders. But actually, now that I think about it, there's not really any cup holders back here. So we'll have to get that taken care of. Yeah, so when I get home, I'm gonna get killed. Just kidding. I told my wife I'm buying a new boat. And I want to keep it affordable. So that's why I ended up going with an older boat. Javelin is now Stratos. So they've been around the block a while, but the builders of Stratos were building Javelins for a couple of years, and Javelin was primarily bass boat only. When they came up with a dual species boat, you can see what we got here. Really nice boat. My daughter continually asks me to go out on the water at the ocean, and I'm like, well, my boat's not really for that. But now we do have a ocean going engine. I think I'm going to put a riptide on it. One of the white Minn Kotas. I think I'm just gonna keep this thing white and blue. See you back at the house.